Hello people and welcome to yet another video. In this video I'll be taking you through the step-by-step process of how to host your HTML website. You can use any other hosting sites, but I'll be using OnoHosting for this particular one. I have used this before, and the reason why I am using OnoHosting is because their servers are Indian based, so your website will be it would load faster and you will have some benefits in that as well. So the very first step is to choose a plan and buy your domain. So first of all, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to onohosting.com. I'll leave the link in the description for that. If you scroll down, you'll find cheap web hosting over here. Then click on view plans. Again, if you're gonna scroll down, you'll see 4 plans which they provide under this category. So I'm gonna again choose the cheapest one, that is rupees 499 per year. I'm going to click on buy 9, and then you can choose a domain. If you don't know what a domain is, it is basically this one, the something.com or something.in. that something is your domain. So I'm going to just test. For the test, I'm going to give my channel name, that will be TimmyChunga.in, and then I'll click on check and let's see if it is available or not. It is, so it'll show you the message, congratulations, TimmyChunga.in is available. And if it is not available, you can just try in any other keywords if you want. And also here you will have categories for extensions such as .xyz.info and other stuff, .com, .online, and just add to cart whatever it is relevant from your side. So I'm going to choose .in. And the reason why I'm choosing .in or .xyz is because .xyz is an extension which is really hard to find in Google, and .in will be easily available. So that's a good practice to have. So just click on add and it will be added to your cart. And then you're going to continue from here. And in this box, you can see the the options that they provide, such as you'll have one web hosting, you'll have 1 GB of disk storage, which is more than enough for just a front-end website. You have unlimited data transfer. These are all just regular things, and you'll have a lifetime free SSL certificate. That is provided by almost every hosting site, so there is nothing much in that. And if you need a higher grade storage of like 2 GB or 3 GB, and you have multi-website hosting, you can go back and check other plans as well. So right now I'm gonna, and also you can add up extra IP addresses or whatever you need, but I'm not gonna do anything right now. I'm gonna click on continue. Then this DNS management is provided free by OneHosting, so why not just click on it. And you can also add ID protection for another 50 rupees per year. So this is a cycle of 499 every year if you want to continue hosting your website online. And after doing that, just click on continue again, and finally it will bring you to the review and checkout page. So you'll have a single domain hosting plan. This will be your URL or the domain and the other things as well. So every year cycle it'll cost you up to 1236 rupees, which is, I feel, which is way cheaper if you go to other sites such as GoDaddy or Big Rock. And if you're not clear with this, and if you have any doubts, you can always ask them in the chat box. Just give your email, phone number, and type in your message. They are always available. I've had a really good experience with OnoHosting. And just click on checkout after that. Once you've done everything, then inside the shopping cart, it will ask your details. Just fill in those details, pay. After your payment, you will get the mail and your login ID as well as your password. So once you're done with that, now it's step number 2, where we will set up your control panel, from where you can do all the file management and user management and stuff like that. So you'll get mails such as this. You'll have a confirmation letter. Then if you again, you need to find a mail from where you will have your direct admin account details, from where they'll show you your user ID as well as your password. So you can just use that user ID as well as your password, which will be in this mail after you have done with the payment and stuff. And they'll also give you the link from where you can enter your control panel. So for the second step, after logging into your control panel, you'll be brought back to this window where on the right hand side you can change your personal settings, and over here on the left hand side you have other stuff. I'm not going to explain you anything right now. In this video we'll be working with only file manager as well as your site summary and statistics or logs. If you want, let me know in the description. I'll be making a separate video based on the direct admin web control panel and the other stuff provided by it. So first up, I'm going to tell you how to upload your website files. So over here inside system info and files, you'll find manager. Click on it, go to public_html. From here, select all the files and delete it. So I have these many files, but you will have files that are defaultly added by direct admin, so delete it. Once you have deleted it, make sure that there is nothing inside your public_html folder before you upload your files. So first up, you're gonna go to place where you have all your files that you will be uploading. I'm gonna select all my files and create a compressed folder out of it. I'm gonna call it abc just to be simple. And then inside your direct admin page, you will find something called as upload file. You're going to click there and drag and drop the compressed folder that you just made. So once you've done that, click on upload. It takes some time to upload. It depends upon your internet speed. And once you're done with that, you can just go ahead and extract it. I'm going to show you in a little while. And if you have any doubts regarding this, please don't forget to leave it in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help. So let's wait until it gets completed. Right, so once it's uploaded, you will have something such as this right here. You'll have upload successful, so you can go ahead and close that as well. And if you hover over your .zip folder, you'll get a option box like this. Just click on extract and extract all your files from here. So once it is extracted, you can just go ahead and type in your domain. My domain was www.theblogboy.in. I'm going to click on enter, and if you're uploading the files for the first time, it's going to show you error messages, but don't worry, just keep on reloading the page. It will come, and that's just a regular thing that happens for the newly added files onto your domain. But once you update your files, it will work just fine. So now for the statistics page, you can just go back to your home page of direct admin, scroll down, and under the same system info and files, you can see site summary. So click on that. I'll bring back to this page. So you can just click on your domain name over here. It takes a bit of time to load, but you'll have all your summary over here, from where you can get all the visits as well as the sites, your pages, hits, and everything else. So if you want a monthly statistics, you can just click on the month over here. It'll take you to a proper statistics of everything that is there. So that one thing which you'll require, that is your number of visits. So the total number of visits will be over here in the fourth row. I have 368 visits in 2 weeks. I don't know whether that is good or not, but I'm quite happy with that. So yeah, that's it. As you can see, my website is live now, and if you have any suggestions, leave it down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and happy quarantine.